What's up guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to fix a Samsung TV that's responding slowly to your remote. So first, simply check the basics. So simply replace the remote batteries with fresh ones. And also make sure that nothing is blocking the sensor on the TV. So if you're using a Bluetooth Samsung remote, simply hold the back and press the play and pause buttons together for a few seconds. So this is going to help repair it with the TV. Now next, you can also try restarting your TV. So the quickest way is to simply unplug it from the wall for about 60 seconds, then plug it back in. So this literally clears out any temporary glitches. Now after that, you can also try going to settings, then support, and then simply try checking for a software update. So installing the latest firmware can actually help improve performance and fix remote delay issues. Finally, if your TV still feels slow, simply go to settings and disable any unnecessary background apps or features like excessive motion processing, then simply restart once more and your remote response should be way more smoother than before. And that's it. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.